Hey guys, welcome back. I've been checking out Modoboa for a while now, and here's what I think. Modoboa is an open source mail server platform designed to help you manage your own email system. Instead of relying on services like Gmail or Outlook, Modoboa lets you run email on your own server. It combines different mail tools into one simple web interface. Modoboa works mainly on Linux servers. It uses well-known mail software in the background, such as Postfix for sending mail and Dovecot for receiving mail. What Modoboa does is bring everything together into one dashboard so you can manage domains, mailboxes, and settings more easily. One of the main benefits of Modoboa is control. You can create and manage multiple domains and email accounts from one place. It also includes basic spam filtering and antivirus protection, depending on how you configure it. This makes it useful for small businesses, hosting providers, or users who want full ownership of their email setup. The web interface is clean and practical. You can log in as an admin to manage users or as a regular user to access webmail. The webmail system allows you to read, send, and organize emails directly in your browser. Modoboa also supports quotas, meaning you can limit how much storage each mailbox uses. There are tools for monitoring and managing services as well. However, setting it up does require technical knowledge. You will need a server, basic Linux skills, and an understanding of DNS settings. Because it is open source, Modoboa is free to use. There are no subscription fees, but you are responsible for hosting costs and server maintenance. Overall, Modoboa is a strong option for users who want to run their own mail server. It offers control, flexibility, and a unified interface. While it is not beginner-friendly, it is a powerful solution for those comfortable managing servers and email systems.